use tape daily for all sorts of projects. Qualities we look for is that it doesn't print through, that it does have a nice hard crisp line when we remove, especially striping tapes, when we're doing little pin lines in metal flake and another color. It's imperative that be sharp. So that's been hard to find with other products, and we see that the FrogTape brand does a good job of that.
Using a high quality is better for us because we don't have to do the job 2 times. So that's really important for us to get really good quality on tape.
As far as looking at something on the shelf, I don't think that you'd have anything compare it to other than actually putting it to work and seeing it, the qualities that it would shine through when you do use it.
First time we're using it, and we really like it because they do an awesome job for us. Like it's simple for this one. You can see it's like on really straight lines. They don't make marks. They don't stick on the old paint. They don't left the glue. Using kind of different shades before, and basically if you guys give it a try, I'm really sure you like it because it's a good product.
That's how we've come to the product of FrogTape, is over time using inferior products and finally finding something that works.